Ellen Ochoa is the third of five children of Roseanne and Joseph Ochoa. She was born May 10, 1958 in Los Angeles, California. She grew up in La Mesa, California. Her father was a manager of a retail store and her mother a homemaker. Ochoa attended Grossman High School in La Mesa and then studied physics at San Diego State University. She completed her bachelor's degree in 1980 and was named valedictorian of her graduating class. She then moved to the Department of Electrical Engineering at Stanford University. She received her master's degree in 1981 and her doctorate in 1985, working with Joseph W. Goodman and Lambertus Hesselink. The topic of her dissertation was real-time intensity inversion using four-wave mixing in photorefractive crystals. While completing her doctoral research, she developed and patented a real-time optical inspection technique for defeat detection. In an interview with Marian Fedonkey, Ochoa said that she considers this her most important scientific achievement so far. It was during her graduate studies that Ochoa began considering a career as an astronaut. She told Fedonkey that friends were applying who encouraged her to join them. Ironically, she was the only one from her group of friends to make it into space. Her career at NASA began in 1988 as a group leader in the Photonic Processing Group of the Intelligent System Technology Branch, located at the NASA Ames Research Center in Moffett Field, California. She worked as the technical lead for a group of 8 people researching optical image and data processing techniques for space-based robotics. 6 months later, she moved on to become a chief of the Intelligence System Technology Branch. Then in January 1990, she was chosen for the astronaut class, becoming an astronaut in July of 1991. Her first flight began April 8, 1993, on the orbiter Discovery. She was mission specialist on the STS-56 atmospheric research flight, which was carrying the atmospheric laboratory for applications and science known as Atlas II. Ochoa was responsible for her primary payload, the Spartan 2001 satellite, and she operated the robotic arm to deploy and retrieve it. Ochoa's most recent journey into space was on STS-96 Discovery, May 27 to June 6, 1999. During the 10-day mission, the crew performed the first docking to the International Space Station. Ochoa coordinated the transfer of supplies and also operated the remote manipulator system during the 8-hour spacewalk. Ochoa is a member of the Optical Society of America and the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics. She has received a number of awards from NASA, including the NASA Group Achievement Award for Photonics Technology in 1991 and the NASA Space Flight Medal in 1993. In 1994, she received the Women in Science and Engineering Weiss Award. She has also been recognized many times by the Hispanic community. Ochoa was the 1990 recipient of the National Hispanic Quincentennial Commission Pride Award. She was also given Hispanic Magazine's 1991 Hispanic Achievement Science Award, and in 1993 she won the Congressional Hispanic Caucus Medallion of Excellence Role Model Award. Ochoa is also a member of the Optical Society of America, the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics, and Phi Beta Kappa and Sigma Psi honor societies. Ochoa is married to Cole Fulmer Miles, a computer research engineer. She has 2 children. Outside of her space research, Ochoa counts music and sports as hobbies. She is an accomplished classical flautist. In 1983, she was the Student Soloist Award winner in the Stanford Symphony Orchestra. She also has her private pilot's license and in training for space missions flies backseat in T-38 aircraft.